every daughter is entitled to their father's love, they're also entitled to their father's property. But here is the problem. Most of the women till today are not even aware of their rights, and this video is especially for them. You may be surprised to know that under the Hindu Succession Act of 1956, a daughter was not allowed to inherit any parental property until recently as 2005. The main thought behind this aggressive law was that the daughters will be part of another family after getting married, and hence shouldn't be entitled to inherit the co-parental asset of a father's property. Shocking, right? However, in 2005, everything changed. The Hindu Succession Amendment Act was passed. As per this act, the daughters are allotted the same share of a son. Not just that, in case the daughter has passed away before her parents, her children will inherit the shares as a natural next in line. As per the Hindu Succession Amendment Act of 2005, the daughters were given the co-partner rights. Now let's just take a pause and understand who is a co-partner. The co-partner is any individual who has a legal claim to inherit a property since birth. It denotes a unity of ownership, title and interest. Any property that a Hindu inherits from his father, grandfather or a great-grandfather is known as a co-partner property. Before 2005, only sons, grandsons and a great-grandson who held the joint family ties were included in the co-partner. But now, women are in for the lead. Here is the best part. As per the amended inheritance rights, a daughter living or dead as of the year of the amendment, that is 2005, is entitled to share the father's property. Even if the daughter is not alive, her children can claim her rightful portion. August 11, 2020, in the recent remarkable judgment delivered by the Supreme Court held a daughter will have a share in the co-partner property under the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005, even if her father had died before 2005. Now, you'll be wondering, as a daughter, what are my rights on the ancestral property? Well, it's the same. As per the Hindu Succession Act of 2005, a daughter remains as a co-partner for the ancestral property even after the marriage. But don't forget the fact that the previous generation will have a prior claim on the ancestral property. As a result, the claim of the following generation will be a subdivision of the property divided amongst the previous generation. I think you should know that once the Supreme Court launched a law that both father and daughter had to be alive on September 9, 2005 to claim the rights. However, in 2008, this law was rightfully ruled out. This move benefited women not only in urban India but rural India as well. It is important to inform you all that the women's property rights are actually an implicit part of achieving the Millennium Development Goals. This amendment has provided women with required financial support. Yes, imagine not having money and being completely dependent on your husband or on your in-laws. It enhances every woman's economic security and rights and reduces feminized poverty. Also, there is a strong focus on ensuring that the woman benefits from equal rights to the property under the law, as well as in the actual practice at the grassroots level. Ownership of the land and property empowers women and provides income and security. Without resources such as land, women has a limited say in the household decision making and no recourse to asset during crisis. This is the right that everyone should enjoy and exercise it from time to time. Why do you need to know this? Simple. As a daughter, you have all the rights that the son has in the family. If you're not able to express your right on the ancestral property, then you can take a legal action as per the law. In fact, you can claim a partition of the property divided before the act. You can also get in touch with our expert lawyers in case if you need any legal help. The link is in the description box. Also, if you find this video helpful, you can like it, and if you have any topic that you want us to make a video on, do put that in the comment section. To get a regular updates on laws and compliance, don't forget to subscribe our channel.